Picture windows are a popular choice for homeowners who want expansive views and abundant natural light. Their large, fixed glass design creates a striking focal point and brightens interior spaces. However, because picture windows don't open, proper weatherproofing is essential to ensure they perform well year-round. In a place like Pell City, where summers can be hot and winters can turn chilly, weatherproofing picture windows plays a key role in comfort, efficiency, and long-term durability. Why weatherproofing matters for picture windows. Picture windows are stationary, which means they rely entirely on their seals, frames, and glass to protect the home from outdoor conditions. If weatherproofing is inadequate, heat, cold air, and moisture can easily transfer through the window. In Pell City homes, this can lead to uncomfortable temperature swings, higher energy bills, and even moisture-related damage around the window frame. High-performance glass for temperature control. One of the most important elements of weatherproofing a picture window is the glass itself. Modern picture windows are available with advanced glass options designed to reduce heat transfer. These glass systems help reflect outdoor heat during warmer months and retain indoor warmth when temperatures drop. For Pell City homeowners, high-performance glass keeps interiors cooler in summer and more comfortable during winter without blocking natural light. Insulated frames that reduce drafts. While the glass often gets the most attention, the window frame plays an equally important role in weatherproofing. Insulated frames help prevent drafts and reduce thermal transfer around the edges of the window. In Pell City homes, properly insulated frames help eliminate cold spots near picture windows and maintain consistent indoor temperatures year-round. Tight seals that block air and moisture. Because picture windows don't open, their seals must be exceptionally strong. High-quality weather stripping and sealing materials prevent air leaks and keep moisture out. For Pell City homeowners, tight seals are essential for protecting against summer heat, winter chills, and rain that could otherwise seep into walls and cause damage. Preventing condensation and moisture damage. Poorly weatherproofed windows can allow condensation to form on interior surfaces, especially during colder months. Over time, excess moisture can damage window frames, trim, and surrounding walls. Weatherproof picture windows help regulate surface temperatures and reduce condensation, protecting Pell City homes from mold growth and structural issues. Energy efficiency. Through all seasons, well-weatherproofed picture windows improve overall energy efficiency by minimizing heat gain and heat loss. This reduces the workload on heating and cooling systems. In Pell City, homeowners benefit from lower energy costs and more stable indoor temperatures throughout both hot summers and chilly winters. Professional installation enhances weatherproofing. Even the best materials won't perform well if installation is poor. Professional installation ensures picture windows are fitted correctly, sealed completely, and insulated properly. For Pell City homeowners, expert installation maximizes weatherproofing performance and helps picture windows deliver consistent comfort year after year. Long-term durability and performance. Weatherproofing protects more than just indoor comfort. It extends the lifespan of picture windows. By preventing moisture intrusion and temperature-related stress, well-weatherproofed windows resist wear and deterioration over time. In Pell City homes, this durability translates into fewer repairs and long-term peace of mind. Comfort without compromising views. Picture windows are designed to showcase outdoor views and bring light into the home. Effective weatherproofing allows homeowners to enjoy these benefits without sacrificing comfort or efficiency. For Pell City residents, this means enjoying bright, open spaces while staying comfortable no matter the season. A smart upgrade for Pell City homes. Weatherproofing picture windows is essential for handling Pell City's hot summers and chilly winters. With high-performance glass, insulated frames, tight seals, and professional installation, picture windows can deliver beauty, comfort, and efficiency all year long. For homeowners looking to protect their investment and enhance everyday living, weatherproofed picture windows are a smart and lasting solution.